Good morning, everybody. Coming to you this morning. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about camping and your camper trailer. I took a phone call yesterday morning about 7:30 in the morning. And lo and behold, it's my baby brother. He was coming up out of Florida and heading to Nashville, Tennessee. He gave me a call south of Atlanta, Georgia, and told me he was having problems with his trailer swaying back and forth on the road. Said it felt real loose. He had his sway bars and everything on it. I asked him, I said, did you check your air pressure in your tires? He said, well, they all look like they was up where they belong. And I told him, I said, well, you need to check them. Get them up to the rating that's on the sidewall. So we hung up, and he got someplace, and he went and aired them all up. He called me back about an hour later, and he says, oh my God, he says every one of my tires were about 20 pounds low. He said, this thing is pulling down the road just straight as an arrow now. He says, I aired them all up. He says, I never would have thought that. And we sit there and talk, and he's telling me on his monitor that his fuel mileage was coming up. I told him, I said, you want to keep track of your air pressure on your tires. So everybody out there, if you plan on going camping or pulling your trailer across the country, make sure you got good tires and make sure that air pressure's up where it belongs. That way you don't have any problems alongside the road. You're going out there to take and enjoy yourself. So, y'all be safe out there. You have a great weekend, and we'll see you around. Thank you very much. And make sure you check that air pressure in your trailer tires. Bye.